Chuck's at the talent show and he's about to sing and he wanted me to call you so you could hear. You ain't recording that yet, are you?
Yeah. Why? Because it started before it was ready. It will. Man, 28 minutes, 36 seconds.
Hey, I guess it's just us artists that know how to adjust these, huh? Anyway, this is a song that was written. It's called Mountain Tin Rain.
Can you hear me?
Kind of wrote something up. Figured I'd share it with you. A heartfelt special thanks goes out to Mr. Wayne Warner, the co-writer of this song. Without him, myself, and the words in this song would have never come together. Mountain Tin Rain is an inspirational love song that paints a picture of two hearts torn apart and joined back together by the sweet sound of rain on a tin roof, and goes to show that even with rain, love is possible. Smell the spring perfume, it makes me think of you, longing for your kisses, like a rose clings to the dew. I want to go back to where we both got lost, wrapped up in each other, like the sun soaks up the frost. And the mountain tin rain poured down on us, the thunder sang our names, we felt lightning with each touch, we rode the clouds away, with the winds that carried us, will it ever be the same, for you and me, that mountain tin rain. My first kiss of love, when where our hearts led, when heaven's tears of joy came down above our heads. Said that we'd come back to where our love was new, a promise that we made under that singing tin roof. And the mountain tin rain poured down on us, the thunder sang our names, we felt lightning with each touch, we rode the clouds away, with the winds that carried us, will it ever be the same, for you and me, and that mountain tin rain. Oh, we hear the thunder, the way we did back then, we hold on to each other, here comes the rain. Here comes the rain again, oh, and the mountain tin rain, falling down on us, the thunder sings our names, we feel lightning with each touch, we ride the clouds away, with the winds that carry us, it will always be the same, for you and me, and that mountain tin rain, for you and me, and that mountain tin rain.